Good morning, guys. The weather is awesome. Today it's gonna be nice. It's raining. Woohoo. Good morning, guys. Hello. Wearing another new t-shirt, sorry. Morning, guys. Look at the weather. Aha, bliss. That's right, forest right there. And it's raining. Weather is mind blowing. Finally, Wayanad has come to life. And yeah, my favorite sausage, bread, something different, and my favorite French toast, and the supplies butter, honey, fruit, and fresh omelette, which is making in a live content, and my favorite vanilla milkshake. Oh, hope you guys are having fun. Take care. Look at this beautiful snail, too cute, so cute. Hello guys, heading out to Ripon Tea Factory and then Ripon Viewpoint. Just exploring that side of Wayanad, nothing specific to go to. But yeah, so looking blue crocs today. I'll show you nice thing around today, and beautiful weather is amazing. Good morning, guys. Again back to this terrain with amazing weather. Yesterday it was clear. Look at today. It's like madness. Oh wow! Just see this. Hello, guys. Yeah, just like this road. Wow! Look at that. Is that something ahead? Is it a peacock? Yes, that's a peacock. That's not a hen.
That's a simple murgi.
It's a forest murgi. Oh, yummy, tasty it'll be. Look at this. There is so much mist, but the camera, you know that the camera can see through the mist. But I'm trying to show as much as I can. There's a lot of mist. It looks like it is evening or early morning. Time is around 12:30, but amazing. Yesterday we showed you all the things there. Look at what is happening now. Nothing you can see. Absolutely nothing. Using the camera to see ahead, we just can't see anything. I think there's a turn here. Very bad visibility. Imagine night. Oh god. Came to this place called La Pure and look at the weather. It's next to Wilton. This is my car here. Super misty. This is the place. Ordered for few parcels so that you can have on the way, and having puri button idli. Yeah. Seeing breakfast like this. Woohoo! This is a map that they have put up here. Hello guys. Look at this greenery around, man. Amazing, amazing. This is another route. We're going to this place called Ripon. There's a nice viewpoint and the tea factory. I don't know, the tea factory is saying it will be closed by around 2 o'clock, so plan to, go before that. So yeah, we'll reach it, we'll make it in time, but look at the greenery around here. So we're going to this place called Mepadi first. That is a small hill station in Wayanad. Uske aage is Ripon. So we should reach in another 29 minutes. Till then, enjoy. Guys, look at the place, man. This is just like Ooty, Kunur. Look at the tea estates there. Oh, beautiful. It's like everything is lit up, and amazing. Amazing, amazing. Everywhere amazing. Surrounded by greenery. I wish I had a drone. I would have shown it to you guys. Wait, more green. Green, more green. Green. Enjoy this. Look at the rains. What more can I expect? Wow. Should have come this side, never explored this side. Guys, if you're coming to Wayanad, my strict, honest suggestion is stay towards Ripon or Mepadi. Ultimate location, dude. Go mad. This is too good. Yeah, guys, disappointing. Came to the tea factory, but apparently it is 8 to 2 o'clock. Although we came half an hour early, he was like, everything is done and all that. I was like, damn it, came this far. Anyways, the drive is good. So, plan to go to this another place called Ripon Viewpoint. We'll see what is there. Flop show happened again. The Ripon Viewpoint was literally Ripon. Got stuck somewhere, took a U-turn and came back. Nonsense, bad idea today to explore, but it's again exploring, no, so it's fine. Going to this place called Karapura Dam, that is around 14 kilometers from here. Post that, there is some glass bridge which is famous here, Candy 900 Candy. We'll see that and then probably head back. That Abad, no, the property is one pain, man, to go to. It's like doing one big task. Trying the local chai here. I thought it's going to be brilliant, but it's more like milk than chai. Disappointed again. Next dam, we'll see what's going to happen. I asked him for hot water. It's called Vellam here, I know, it's the hot water they give. But I wanted hot water for coffee, but he just gave hot water with some red color thing. And I was like, okay, he didn't understand my point, so I was like, it's okay, have chai and get out. Scenic place, very nice. The route to the dam, greenery everywhere. A nice little church, not little, huge church. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hello guys, got this chai. Finally, who's waiting for this? It's epic. We reached the dam. That's the dam. That's the entrance there. Going to have one chai and then we'll go there. Raining. Walked so much for this. In there. Hello guys. Came to this place. With the raincoat, it's continuously raining. That's the place where you can see the dam name written. It's dam there, here, and one there. To walk till there, I don't think I'll go. It was raining. Not worth it. It's already 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Need to reach before it gets late. From there. Hello guys, so yeah, that's about it. Came till here. That side is the dam. That much. That's nothing much you can see from here. Just came this far, so I thought I'll see, because they're not allowing you beyond that point because people will act stupid and the height is too much. So decent, man, pretty big. Not as good as, because Banasura Sagar, the location only is good because there is surrounded by hills. Here it is not much, but yeah, peaceful. You can come and, if you come with your kids or anybody, your friends, you can have fun here. Like I said, there is a giant swing. There's this thing here that goes up and down. Suddenly they drop it down, no? And one beyond that where you can see the blue hut, no? Beyond that there is Kerala's longest zip line. Per person costs 390. It is around 600 meters. Something nice they made here. There as well. Again, back dam was not so great, but decent. Weather is amazing. So yeah, heading back to the property now. It's already 4 o'clock. This is the car stopped here. Stop at this place. Cute little coffee place. So yeah, stopped here, West County. I think it is another few kilometers, I think 20 kilometers to around, less than that. So you get all this here. This is what we wanted from yesterday. Couldn't find it. So yeah, place to sit here and show to place here. Just order our things, right to the loo in here. Small cute place. Yeah, thank you. Finally, hot Americano. ordered for pasta and garlic bread. So that very cute place, cozy. This is garlic bread. Alfredo pasta.
कॉफी पी रही हूँ.
Back to the bouncy Amma road again. Stupid road. Finally, before the mist comes in, we are reaching the property. Oof. Like otherwise, it would be like yesterday. Struggle. You cannot see anything. You look at the depth there. We have already climbed this high. We were there on the road. And next second, another loop will go another two higher top of the hill, literally. So danger, man, danger roads. Hello guys, finally reached the property again through the madness of these stupid roads. Had enough of this adventure. It's not fun always to come on the same road, you know. It's almost 7-8 times you come, shakes your entire body and throws you, man. Very bad. Very disappointed with this approach. Anyways, can't keep complaining about it. Learn to adapt and adjust. So yeah, finished. Went to again, Ripon Tea Factory as usual. We reached 30 minutes early. Those guys were like, no, it's closed. I'm like, what the hell? Came so far for nothing. And from there went to Ripon Viewpoint. There was absolutely no viewpoint. Don't follow Google Maps. Then from there went to Karapura Dam. Yeah. Okay, like I said, peaceful for a family and all that. Beautiful weather though, was amazing, mind blowing. Since the time it started raining, I think when we reached the dam from 2 o'clock till now it's raining. So that's amazing. So yeah, reached the property. Today dinner will be in the property. We carried lunch, couldn't have it. Just belted pasta and garlic bread in the cafe. So just planning to chill now, relax and have fun. Hope you guys had your evening coffee. So guys, take care. I'll talk to you. Hello guys, done with the night. Going to sleep. Plan to leave early or not early. Post by 10:30, 11. Plan to leave. So that say by 5 I should be in Bengaluru. So that's the plan. Same route. I thought I'll go through Tolpeti, Manantwadi, Tolpeti, Kutta, that route. But that is easily almost an hour or 2 hours longer because Nagarole is not that great. So I'll stick to the same route. Hopefully I don't get any traffic on the way. Weekend I'll get oncoming traffic. So yeah, have good food, leave by around 11, 10:30, because 11 is the checkout. So leave by 10, 10:30, should be proper, ideal, perfect. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Didn't do much today, but did a lot of driving, beautiful greenery everywhere, tea plantations. It was a totally different part, this part of Wayanad, but not many places to see. If you want for a good drive, this is perfect. Sorry, ignore the big boss sound in the background. Anyways, chalo guys, good night. If you still haven't subscribed to my vlogs, please subscribe, Madi, and like, share, show all your love possible. Take care, guys. Good night. See ya.